Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You are listening to 104.9 FM Fun Asia Radio, bringing the community together. मैं हूँ आपकी host, आपकी दोस्त अमरीन हसनात. And today we have a great surprise for you. Guess what? I know you all have heard about the movie Bunty और Bubbly 2. और इस वक्त हमारे साथ हैं Bubbly. जी हाँ, I am referring to Sharvari Wagh. Welcome to the airwaves of 104.9 FM and welcome to the show. How are you doing today, Sharvari?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for this lovely introduction.
It's great to have you on air with us. अब I know कि बहुत सारे लोग जो movies देखते हैं और showbiz follow करते हैं know you as Maya, right? From your previous venture.
Yes, from Forgotten Army.
तो ये बताइए कि बॉलीवुड में कमर्शियल मूवी करने का एक्सपीरियंस आपके लिए कैसा रहा?
यार मुझे सबसे पहले ये कहना है कि I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to connect with everyone at Fun Asia. ये एक्सपीरियंस मेरा बॉलीवुड कमर्शियल फिल्म का बहुत ही सुपर्ब रहा है. पहले से मुझे एक बॉलीवुड मसाला कॉमेडी फिल्म करनी थी. आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड सो ग्लैड कि मेरी पहली पिक्चर जो सिल्वर स्क्रीन पे आएगी वो एक कॉमेडी फिल्म है और बंटी और बबली 2 है. कोई और कॉमेडी फिल्म नहीं बल्कि एक सुपर डुपर हिट का सीक्वल है. So I'm very excited about that.
So, what was the experience like working for Yash Raj Films? Because it is a big banner and definitely a huge break for someone who would be relatively new in the industry.
You know, it's Yash Raj's home. I have been working with them since the last almost 2-3 years now since I got signed on. I'm also Yash Raj talent, so all my work goes to them. We work together. It's my second home. It's my family. They are just as, you know, their hearts are just as big as the big banner that they are.
Awesome. तो आपने स्टार्ट किया था as an assistant director, I know, प्यार का पंचनामा 2 में as well as बाजी राव मस्तानी and सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी. I never get that name right. So moving on from director to actor, ये चेंज कैसा रहा and or was that the initial goal you had?
यार मुझे पहले से एक्टर ही बनना था. मेरी सबसे पहली ऑडिशन थी जब मैं 16 साल की थी. तो कुछ 7-8 साल पहले मैंने मेरा पहला ऑडिशन दिया था. ये एक लंबी जर्नी है, एक लंबा सफर रहा है और उसके बीच मैंने हर साल बहुत सारे ऑडिशन दिए थे. बट ऑफ कोर्स वो जो एक फर्स्ट टाइम का कनेक्शन है, फर्स्ट टाइम जो चांस मिलता है वो मुझे ऑफ कोर्स जाकर अभी मिला. बट उसके बीच में मैंने डिसाइड किया दैट आई शुड लर्न अबाउट cinema. I should go on set. I should know how a film is made. You know, so my journey was always to become an actor. I became an assistant director because I'm not from a film background. I did not know how you make a film. So I went on these particular sets to learn, you know. And of course, because I was, going through these auditions and not being able to crack them, for me, I needed a certain amount of work, a certain amount of income in my life. And so that is why I became an assistant director.
Well, sounds like a great experience. अब चलिए बात करते हैं फिल्म की. ये तो सभी जानते हैं कि बंटी और बबली सुपर हिट थी, the original, and this is the sequel. So being a lead in this film, how does that feel? और वो experience कैसा था to be working with stars like Saif Ali Khan and Rani Mukherjee?
I think even as of now, it feels unreal when anyone asks me this question in an interview, when they take my name next to Rani ma'am, Saif sir, Siddhant. I mean, it generally feels unreal. But I must say, I auditioned for Yash Raj for many years. I actually used to even, go. I never knew which film I was actually auditioning for because nobody can know that it's Bunty or Bubbly 2. So it was all under the wraps. When I got shortlisted, the director and the casting director, they met me and they told me that you've been finalized for a film called Bunty or Bubbly 2. And I was just shocked. I was so pale that I didn't know what to say. So I told them that I need 5 minutes and y'all cannot judge me on the next 5 minutes because y'all have dropped a bomb on me.
Oh my goodness, so, I can imagine the excitement.
Yeah, so I obviously, I had to breathe in and out, and then I went back into this meeting and from there to reaching here, And then I got to meet Rani ma'am and Saif sir for the first time during our readings and during on set. And those guys are just too lovely, you know. They're outstanding as actors, but I think that they're even better people in real life. And I'm so glad that I got to know them at a personal level. They have taught me so much in this time span as an actor, as a person, as a professional. And I think I will take these lessons with me through all my career life.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. You know, it's good coming from like the inside scoop on exactly how your experience was और आपने जिस तरह उनके बारे में बताया. It makes us very happy too and eager to watch the movie. चलें अब बात करते हैं मूवी की. तो पहली मूवी में थी बंटी और बबली. एक बंटी था और एक बबली थी. इस बार दो बंटी और दो बबली हैं. तो ये क्या कहानी है?
इस बार हम चाहते हैं कि हर घर से 2 नहीं 4 लोग आए. इसलिए हमने 4 बंटी बबली रखे हैं.
Okay, that's good. So double the fun, huh?
Double the fun, and you know, I think the reason why Bunty Bubbly 2 will set apart from Bunty Bubbly 1 is because in the first part you had one group of con men and women who were, of course, conning regular people. But this time, along with that, you will also see 2 groups or 2 jodis of con artists who are conning each other.
Oh my
You've
goodness.
never seen con men con each other.
That sounds so much fun. And you know, एक बात मैं कहूँगी, I know this movie got started, I think, or it was supposed to release back in 2020, लेकिन pandemic की वजह से release रुक गई. लेकिन as you may know, कि US में things are a lot better now and back to normal. So people have started going back to theaters. So I think it's fantastic that a feel-good movie like Bunty or Bubbly 2 is coming out now when people are going back to the theaters. So लोग अपनी families के साथ आके जब ये movie देखेंगे तो सही तरह से enjoy कर सकेंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I mean, हमारा होप यही है क्योंकि ये पिछले 2 साल सभी के लिए बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल रहे हैं और अभी सबकी जिंदगी somehow थोड़ी बहुत ट्रैक पे आना शुरू हो चुका है. हर एक इंडस्ट्री is recovering in its own way, and of course as our industry, as a film industry, has also taken a huge hit in the last 2 years, and we are coming up with films that will entertain people because that is what we do, right? Like, we want to bring smiles on people's faces and we want them to, you know, just come to the theater, watch our film, have a good laugh and just go back home with a certain amount of positivity.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. Thank you so much, Sharvik. It's been such a pleasure talking to you. अच्छा, ये बताइए, Dallas की listening audience के लिए क्या मैसेज है आपका?
मैं बस कहना चाहूंगी कि आप सभी थिएटर्स में जाएं. We've made this film with a lot of love, with a lot of affection, and I hope that you guys have a great laugh, and I hope that you all can give us the same amount of love and affection that we have put into our film, and we can't wait for you all to go enjoy and have a joyride.
Thank you so much. I can't wait for this movie to come out. We're going to go to Fun Movie Grill in Richardson to watch it. And ladies and gentlemen, those of you just tuning in, ये खूबसूरत आवाज थी Miss Sharvari Waki, who was the assistant director for Pyar Ka Panchnama to Baji Rao Mastani, Sonu Ke Titu Ki Sweetie, and now you will see her as Bubbly in Bunty or Bubbly 2. Thank you so much. We wish you best of luck. I'm sure you're super excited for the release. And we hope to talk to you again soon when you come and talk about your next movie.
Thank you so much, Amreen. It was so lovely talking to you.
Likewise. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.